How to use Samsung Gear VR with any phones. So let's say you won't be able to do any kind of modification with your VR, since probably one of the only ways you could technically use those all of the features is by modifying it, and maybe you don't know how to do that because you're scared your VR might actually break, which is most likely the case in most scenario. So one of the first things you can do is just alternatives, I suppose, for your Samsung VR. But other than that, for the full Gear VR experience with proper tracking and apps, you will still need a compatible older Samsung phone like a Galaxy S6 or S9 or Note series. Otherwise, your features like motion tracking or even controller support and dedicated VR apps won't work properly. So newer phones and non-Samsung models aren't officially supported, and the original software ecosystem has been discontinued. However, you can still use it in a basic way by maybe inserting your phone, any kind of phone that does actually fit into the VR. If it doesn't fit, then there's probably no hope for that anymore. But you can insert a phone that physically fits to use it, and you can avoid using the USB connection. This will still let you use it like a simple VR viewer for 360 videos through apps like YouTube or any kind of media that allows you to watch the video as a 360 version. Turn on your VR mode and you could technically still use that phone on your Gear VR, even though it is technically not compatible. But that's pretty much the general idea on how that will work, a few workarounds, and what's not possible anymore. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.